gorgeous 4th of July morning and I'm heading up to Whidbey Island for a family day. And as I like to do, instead of taking the Mukilteo Ferry, I'm taking the long way around. I'm driving a small back route. First it's up on I-5 before pulling over in a small park and ride and Tulalip to mount the cameras. Alright, so we're about to head out on a little back road adventure mini ride to Whidbey Island for 4th of July, and on this trip I have special guests. I have Simon and Finn. Say hi, Simon. So yeah, it should be fun. And here's another brother Subaru over there. Yeah, so see you out there. It's a nice series of roads before reaching Stanwood. There's a bunch of them. 34th Avenue Northeast, 140th Street Northeast, 23rd Avenue Northeast, 45th Road, 3rd Avenue Northeast, Pioneer HWY East. They were all relatively straight, there were some nice curves, and there wasn't that much traffic. I only got stuck behind a few cars, and even then, they peeled off eventually. After we get through that series of roads, we get to the real highlight, a short section of Pioneer HWY. It has a nice set of curves with some nice elevation changes, plus not many drivers, or in the case none. Unfortunately, this section doesn't last very long before you pull into the main part of Stanwood. After leaving Stanwood, it's a series of long straights, surrounded by farms, ranches, and wetlands. We really lucked out with the weather. Having a sunny 4th of July is never a guarantee around here. Throughout the Pacific Northwest forest and farmland surrounding Tulalip, Stanwood, and Connor, you have solid options for back road driving. And it's not all straight and flat. The roads are in good shape and you have plenty of routes to build. Note, you do need to be on your toes around Tulalip. Leo does seem to haunt the woods in those parts. After getting through Connor, I pull over to remove the cameras before getting on Highway 20 and heading over Deception Pass onto Whidbey Island. From there, we just head down the island and enjoy our 4th of July.